What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside in Atwima, Agogo, specifically Kuamsi in the Ashanti region. Now, we did our gate motto for this beautiful gate, and then also we fixed our video intercom system. So now the client can use a phone wherever she is in the world to operate the gate. So the client is not around, but she can operate her gate in Ghana. So I'm going to demonstrate that to you. So once I press, it opens. So the system comes with two remotes. You can program multiple remotes, but she can access the gate on a phone and operate the gate with her phone. So let me try it again. You can see. So I have the remote. I can operate the gate with the remote. I can stop the gate, then cause the gate to move again with the remote. Or I can use a phone to cause the gate to open. So let me try that again. I tap on it. If you have any gate projects, make sure you give us a call. We are in Accra, Kuamsi, Tamale, and then we are everywhere in Ghana. If you have any projects and you are outside Ghana, make sure you give us a call. We can come around and put up everything for you so that you can access your gates on your phone wherever you are in the world. Thank you.